Are you angry? Stop using the same basic phrase. Here are 10 powerful alternatives. Angry માટે સિચ્યુએશન પ્રમાણે એક્ઝેક્ટ વર્ડ યુઝ કરો. લેટ્સ સ્ટાર્ટ. ફર્સ્ટ વન ફ્યુરિયસ. That means અત્યંત ગુસ્સે ભરાયેલું. Example: He was furious about the decision. Next one, enraged. That means અત્યંત ગુસ્સે થયેલું. Example: She was enraged by the unfair treatment. Next one, irritated. That means ચીડાયેલું. Example: I'm irritated by the constant noise. Next one, annoyed. That means હેરાન, નારાજ. He was annoyed with me. Next one, infuriated. That means ખૂબ જ ગુસ્સે કરાયેલું. Example: The delay infuriated the customer. Next one, agitated. That means અસ્વસ્થ, ગુસ્સે થયેલું. Example: He became agitated during the discussion. Next one, resentful. That means લાંબા સમયથી નારાજગી રાખનાર. Example: She felt resentful about being ignored. Now next one, exasperated. That means વારંવારની મુશ્કેલીથી કંટાળેલું. Example: I'm exasperated by the repeat mistakes. Now last second, outraged. That means અન્યાયથી કંટાળેલું, અન્યાયથી ગુસ્સે થયેલું. Example: People were outraged by the decision. Now last one, seething. અંદરથી ખૂબ જ ગુસ્સે થયેલું. Example: He was seething with anger. So friends, don't just say I'm angry. Show the level of your anger with right words. See you in the next video.